Season 1 of The Daily Breath is complete. Yes, amazing. I wanted to thank everyone who supported the channel so far. It really has been an incredible experience hearing how many people have enjoyed The Daily Breath. The goal of the channel is to bring a very simple form of mindfulness or meditation, however you want to look at it, to the everyday person. And I can only hope that these videos continue to bring some form of relaxation to anyone who watches them. With that being said, Season 1 is complete with 33 episodes, which are all now live on the YouTube channel. We're going to be taking a couple weeks off, and we'll be back soon with new daily videos for Season 2. So far, The Daily Breath has given you visuals and soundscapes from all around the world. From beaches, rivers, meadows, and mountains. And Season 2 is only going to continue to build on those visuals and add some new ones. In the meantime, this gives you the perfect opportunity to watch any of the Daily Breath videos so far. There is no order, structure, pattern, or anything you need to follow for the Daily Breath. We're making this as simple as possible. You do not need to start at day 1. You don't need to start at week 1. You can start anywhere you want because all the videos follow the exact same guided breath exercise. So if you like to immerse yourself at a beach, watch day 15 and enjoy the amazing visuals and sounds of the beach. The purpose of daily videos is to give you endless options and variety to choose from. You may find you really enjoy landscapes with flowers, or the experience of sitting by a campfire, or you just may enjoy the surprise of where the next day will bring you. Once again, I want to thank everyone for supporting the channel so far. If you're new to the channel, welcome. There's 33 videos live on The Daily Breath for Season 1. If you have any suggestions for The Daily Breath, comment below. Are there any locations you want to see, any soundscapes you enjoy? Is there a place that you just love to meditate or practice mindfulness that you think others would benefit from? Send a comment below and we'll see what we can do. Season 2 is coming soon.